There is a great connection among Adobe's softwares and each other's. One of them is of course between Photoshop and Illustrator. Let's say you are working inside Illustrator and you want to use your design, which in my case this shape, inside Photoshop. All what you need to do is to select it, then press Ctrl C to copy and then paste it inside Photoshop. Photoshop will ask you about the type of the object you want to paste. What I am interested in is of course smart object. I will uncheck add to my current library because I don't want to add it. Then you can scale it, rotate it, and of course clone it. The amazing thing is you can modify this shape that you have copied from Illustrator inside Illustrator, and the changes will be applied here inside Photoshop. Remember, it's a smart object. Double click on it and it will be opened inside Illustrator. Make your changes. Then Ctrl S, and here we are.